everybody, it's Adam here, back to you with another Adam Tech and Stuff video. I know it's been a long time, but I have something very helpful for all of you out there that are struggling with cloud service, or maybe possibly Google Drive. So I have a few things I would like to go over with you for Google Drive, so you guys can understand on how to use it and know when or where to use it as well. For example, here I have a few things I'm going to go through: uploading, downloading, sharing files or folders on your drive with other people, internally or externally of Google accounts. Okay, and I'm going to also show you how to use the mobile version as well. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, hopefully you guys already have a Google account, because that is the very first thing that you need to do when you have or when you want to use Google Drive. You have to have a Google account. So many of you out there with Android phones already have a Google account, so therefore you can use the Google Drive on your phone. Okay, now what you see me doing on the computer, you are also able to do on your phone. But if you want to wait for me to go through the mobile version, I just wait until the end of the video and you'll get started with that. But first things first, let's go ahead and hop into my Google Drive. And down here I have folders because I like to be organized with some of my stuff. I have set up my Google Drive so I can share some videos and photos with the skateboarding group that I'm in. Okay, so for example, if I want to upload this picture right here, it's very easy. All you have to do is make sure you have your Google Drive window open, and here you can drag it into empty space, which will just drop it into your drive. Or you can actually drag and drop it into a folder, which I'll show you. You can drag and drop it into a folder, and you see where it's highlighted right there. You will be able to let go and it will automatically drop inside. Or if you don't want it inside the folder, you could just simply go outside the empty space. You see the whole area where it becomes highlighted with blue, you can just drop it there. But since I want this in my folder of photos or skate photos, I'm going to go over here and drag into skate photos. I'm going to let go, and then down on the right hand side you're going to see it where it's uploading that one item. Okay, so that's how you upload a file. If you want to upload folders, that's a different thing. Okay, well, it's almost the same thing, very easy as well too. I'm just going to make a simple folder right now. Just name this test. Oopsie, why is it not back this? Actually, name it example. I'm just going to put these 3 pictures in there, and then I'm going to take this folder. I'm going to hover over my Google Chrome icon, and I'm going to go in here. I'm simply just going to drop this folder right here, and there you have it. The picture that I uploaded earlier is now finished. It has a check mark next to it, and the folder that I'm uploading right now, called example, is still uploading, and that will upload in a minute. So I'm going to show you guys how to download these files. Okay, so if we go back to, we'll say we're going to skate photos, I will look for this picture that I just uploaded, and I am going to simply right click on it and download. Okay, very simple. Right click, download. Okay, you see it scans for viruses down there on the bottom. Then in your Google Chrome or whichever browser that you're using, it's going to come up on the bottom or possibly on the top if you're using Firefox, I think. Then it says forbidden. This is one issue that I have had, or still having, with Google Drive. When I want to download a very simple document or maybe folder, it will say failed and forbidden. Why? I have no idea. But I'm going to try to get or download another image. See if this works. That one also said forbidden also. Alright, let me see if I could download it from my phone. If I cannot download it from my phone, then there's definitely a Google Drive error. Okay, or maybe a Google Chrome error. But let's go ahead, download this photo. Oh no, it's actually downloading. Not sure if you can see that, but it's actually downloading. And it downloaded. Alright, good. Now we are going to go through sharing files and folders on your drive with others. Okay? Now, first thing you need to do, if you want to share, say for instance this photo, I'll go right click on it, I will say share, and then here's a few options. Link sharing on. Okay, so you have a few options here that say anyone with a link can view, anyone with a link can comment, or anybody with a link can edit. Okay, these options are very good for workflow. If you're working with multiple people in or out of business, or maybe a simple project within a group that you're associated with, these options can come available very useful. So you have that. I'm going to say can edit, because if I want to share this this photo with someone, say for instance an editor, or maybe the person that's in the photo, I want to be able to download it and I want them to be able to edit it as well. Okay, since I already have the original versions, they can do whatever they want with it. Okay, so down here we'll be able to say, I'll just send it to my other email account. And then you can always add a note saying, here is the photo. If you want to only share the link, you only need to select the properties of the link and the folder or file, which is right here, which means anyone with the link can edit. So if you want to send them the link, you just copy the link. You can go to any other email or messenger or anywhere. You can send them the link, okay? And then they'll have access only to that file or only to that folder, okay? Now if you want to send it to a group of people, down here is where you put the emails. You can add more people, you know, say UXPin, you know, I could put that in. So now 2 people will have the link, 2 people are able to edit and look at it, and then you send a file. Once you send, they will get an email with a link along with the properties of that they can edit. Okay. Okay. Let's just go, say for instance Andy's folder, and I'll say share. Pretty much the exact same thing. Okay. What I did last time, this person only had access to this photo. Now this person has access to the folder. Okay. It's very similar. Okay. You can right click, go to get shareable link. It's copied in your clipboard, and then you could just copy and paste it anywhere else. How to use the mobile version. What we are going to do, we're going to escape videos. Okay. Now you do not have a right side that shows the properties and details and information of your files, and you do not have a file browser like style on the left side on the mobile version like you do here on the web version. Okay. So first thing you're going to do, if you want to see the information, you click the three dots right there, and you could click the first part, the first I information, and it will tell you, okay, this is all the information. There's a shareable link that's already been handed out already. Okay, so there we go. If you want to share this social media that's only on your phone, you can do that here. Get the shareable link, and then you have options right here. I could also send it on Snapchat, like Facebook, Messenger, Gmail, many options depending on how you want to send it. So thank you. I hope this was able to help all of you guys to get started with Google Drive. If you have any other questions as to why some things are possibly not working, such as you're not able to download your own files, go ahead and send me a question. I'd be glad to answer those. Okay, but until then, this is Adam Tech and Stuff. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you later.